G'day. Putting together a quick video on the non-concessional contributions and the complexities that some of the new proposals that the coalition government have put together. Obviously we'll see whether they come through or not, but just to give you a bit of an idea of how we're, I suppose, working with this new environment of uncertainty in terms of what can we put into superannuation, what can't we. Now, for those that have been watching and making contributions over the years, we know that we can put in $180,000 as a non-concessional contribution. So this is money that you've paid your tax on and accumulated over many years. Sometimes it can be farming land, sometimes it can be cash or other investments. So you're allowed to put in $180,000 if you're 74 and under. Above 65 you need to meet the work test, and for those that are below 65 we can also bring in 2 other financial years and put in 3 lots in the one financial year. So that's the old rules. So what they're saying now is that non-concessional contributions will have a lifetime cap of $500,000. So, and that dates back to the 1st of July 2007 through to 7:30 on budget night, which is only 3 or 4 weeks ago. So for those that have already breached this cap, which many people have by putting in large assets, whether it's farming land, business property, or cash and shares and the like, they're not making people take it out. You just can't put any more money in. So what we're doing now is we're making sure that people are staying within the current caps, but we're keeping an eye on the new proposed cap. So if people have already put significant funds in and we think they've breached that, we're not even going to bother to put that in, and we'll generally focus on $35,000, their concessional contributions of $35,000 or $30,000 under current rules. So when you're making substantial contributions to the super fund, you need to consider what you've put in from 1st of July 2007 through to budget night. If you're well under that cap, then you need to take that into account, but also need to stay within the current caps. And obviously that depends on your age. Under 65s can put in $180,000 per financial year, or bring forward 2 financial years and put in $540,000. So more complexity. I remember many years ago there was the simpler superannuation laws that came out and rule changes, and once again they put a whole new layer of complexity that makes it harder for everyone to understand. But yeah, please do seek financial advice if you're unsure, because the consequences of getting it wrong could potentially be costly. Thank you very much for listening. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you don't mind, and we'll catch up next week. Thanks for listening.